Hi guys, some of you needed help correcting this test, so I'm going to go through it with you, okay? Number one, let's zoom in. Okay, so we're going to distribute 6p, distribute -8 equals 10. I'm going to add 8 to both sides. So I'm going to get 6p equals 18, divide by 6, p equals 3. Choice number 3. Number 2, solving again. 2 comes down. Distribute 4x, distribute plus 8 equals 14. 2 and 8 are on the same side. They're like terms. They're family members. We're going to put them together. So it's 4x plus 10 equals 14. Subtract 10. Oops. So it's 4x equals 4, divide by 4, x equals 1. Okay. The third one is different. It's asking you how many answers does the equation have. It's not asking you for the answer. It's asking you how many it has. So we're going to solve it. 2x minus 10 equals 2x plus 3. So what happens when I bring the 2x over to the other family member, they both cancel out. So we're left with -10 equals 3. Does -10 equal 3? Nope. No solution. Okay, number 4, solving. Okay, there's no distributing. We're just going to combine like terms. So we're going to add 3x to the 2x. We're going to get 5x plus 8 equals -7. Subtract the 8. This is going to say 5x equals -15. Divide by 5. X is -3. Okay. Number 5. Draw the line. Add 2. 4x equals 12. Divide by 4, x is going to equal 3. Number 6. This is supposed to say x. Sorry about that. These are family members on the same side, so we're going to put them together. So that's 4x plus 1 equals -7 minus 1. That's 4x equals -8. Divide by 4. X equals -2. Don't forget about this negative. Okay, moving along. This one you don't actually have to solve, you just have to distribute and simplify. So we're going to distribute 8f plus 56 minus the 2f minus 11. So we're going to put like terms together. 8 minus 2 is 6f, and 56 minus 11 is 45. Okay, number 8, last one on the page. Fraction. In order to get rid of the fraction, you got to multiply both sides by whatever the denominator is. So the right-hand side is going to say 20, and the 4s on the left are going to cancel out because it's like 4 divided by 4. So the answer is 20. Okay. So it's asking you again, how many solutions does the equation have? Subtract 10. 3x equals 21. Divide by 3. We get an answer of 7. 7 is the only answer, so it has one solution. Okay, number 10. Debbie made a mistake somewhere, so it's our job to figure out what. So in line number 1, she's supposed to distribute. And she should get 3x plus 12 minus 2 equals 16. But if you look at line number 2, oh, I'm sorry, Miss Previtt made a boo-boo. If you look at line number 3, Miss Previtt should have done that. She distributes, so between 2 and 3 was the mistake. Choice number 2. Okay, simplify. Distribute 8 plus 48m minus the 7. So 8 plus 41m, because I have to put the family members back together. Okay, number 12, same idea. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 5 is 30. X plus the 4x. Family members, so 48 plus 34x. Done. Those you don't solve because they just say simplify. Okay, these we solve. We divide by 6. So you do 108 divided by 6. You get 18. That's it. This one here, we got family members on the same side again. 3 minus 2 is 1x, or just x. And we subtract 5. We get x equals 7. Okay. Another fraction. First thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of that 2. We're going to bring the 2 over there with its family member. X over 5 equals 5. Now this looks just like the last one. We multiply both sides by 5 to get rid of that fraction. 5 divided by 5 goes away, and 5 times 5 is 25. One more on this page. No distributing, no family members on the same side. We draw the line. I'm going to bring the 3x to the 2x. I get 5x. Here's where everybody made a mistake. When you subtract 2, this isn't 16. This is negative 18 minus 2 more. This is negative 20. Everybody did that wrong. Negative 4. Okay. Okay, they're getting harder. We're going to distribute. 4x plus 12 equals 20. Subtract 12. 4x equals 8. Divide by 4. X equals 2. I know that I'm moving quite quickly, so if you need to pause the video at any time, that's what you do. 6x minus, minus 12 plus 3x equals 24. We got family members on the same side. 9x minus 12 equals 24. Bring them over. 9x equals 36. Divide by 9. X equals 4. Okay. Almost there. 2 more. Okay, fraction. Distribute. Half of 2 is 1. Half of negative 6 is negative 3. I'm going to subtract the x over to the 4. Okay. Let me get rid of that. Okay. And then we're going to add 12 over here. So this is 3x equals 9. Divide by 3. X equals 3. Okay, one more. This one, it says, Tim thought the solution was x equals 10. Use this check down here to show whether he's right or wrong, and then solve it yourself. So let's solve it first. Negative 2x plus 6 equals 14. Subtract 6. Negative 2x equals 8. Now, I'm not going to get 10. I'm going to get negative 4. So negative 4 is the answer. Let's prove that 10 is not the answer. So if I take the original equation and I plug in 10 people, 10, where x used to be. 10 minus 3 is 7. What happens is I get negative 14 equals 14, and that is not true. Okay, use this to help you do your own corrections, show your work, and use a separate sheet of paper that I gave you.